We've spent 5 long weeks away from the boat earning money to finish this refit. Finally, we're headed home. Two years ago, we purchased a hurricane-damaged boat with the dream of sailing her around the world. Together with our kids, we've been learning, laughing, and working to make this dream come true. This is the story of our adventures on a sailboat named Spoondrifter. Well, we're back at the boat. Woo! It's beautiful. It's really nice to be here, and we are about 5 weeks from being able to splash the boat if we can stay on task and on project. It's a little like squirrel. There's so many projects and so many things that need to be done. Let's go look at what we have to do. So the first thing that we're going to do this week is get everything done to be able to put the masts back on the boat. Time-wise, we don't think we're going to get the masts on this week, but we wanted to get them rewired, get the lights on them, get the steps ready. That's a lot to do in a week. Think we can do it? We won't get anywhere if we don't get started. What are you doing right now?
Trying to find the steering box.
That's not on our list of things to do this week.
Oh, but it's on the list to order the stuff. Wow, you think that sucker came kind of hammered or what?
We need to get back on task, on track.
Yes, we do. Got to find that steering box. And then we can do other things. You know where it is?
See, I told you, keeping him on task is a bit of a challenge. There's always some other side project that he gets distracted by.
Hold on, this is the same project we started yesterday. We had to get every single thing that we had to order stuff for that was going to take time to order and get it ordered. And we couldn't find the steering box yesterday because we didn't have time. I'm finishing that.
So we're behind schedule already.
We're behind already. That's the point. Yes, we're behind already.
Okay, we've decided that our first task should be to fix whatever needs fiberglassing and filling with epoxy.
That is okay. Got one by your foot.
So is this part of fiberglassing?
Well, if we fill them with Cabosil, it is.
All of them?
No, I mean the back one. I think the rest of these are okay. But the back one has really wallowed itself out when it was in the hurricane, so it kind of, the chain plate was moving. The top two actually are pretty hollowed out on the outside. They're probably okay on the inside, but we need to Cabosil those and re-drill them. Yeah, see how much that moves? Even when it's all the way through the hole, that's how much I can move it. So yeah, that hole needs to be repaired.
You can get the bolt back out.
It's got 5200 on the inside. See? Little one for the I think this might be the backstay.
These are our titanium chain plates from Caligo Marine. We got a great deal. They were less expensive than stainless steel.
I'm putting garbage in the garbage bag just so that we know I do throw stuff away. All right,
Don't
let's
get
go.
distracted, you're taking this thing out.
I need a sharp pencil. So what you're saying is roughly draw in this, right?
Now when it's filled in, we'll be able to know where it goes. Well, that smells like fiberglass. I probably should have a mask on.
Probably should. The reason those are so snug but they still move is because of all the 5200 in there. It's like the hole is bigger. 5200 is taking up all the space.
Don't fall off the boat.
I'll try not to fall off the boat. I've been on the road. I don't have any sea legs anymore. Come over here so I can look right into the sun while you film me. The collars on both of the masts, the main mast and the mizzen mast, both mount directly to the top of the deck.
So Gabe is preparing the holes for the pump out holes and the diesel tank holes that were in the deck. He's preparing those for fiberglass. We figure since we're doing fiberglass on the deck for the masts, we might as well get all of the fiberglass done. This is how project creeps. Yeah. The water was coming in the back where it sits against the back.
Right. Well, that's where we think it was coming. It was like right there. With that big old hole and crack right there. Water would pool and then it would go underneath and go in there.
Well, we could just fill the holes and rebed that and maybe it would just be fine.
This inside here, we got to do something with that.
That's pretty corroded.
Yes. Somebody with a Dremel and polisher and stuff is going to do all that stuff, and I don't know who that is yet.
That's not a great idea.
What?
You've got fiberglass all over you.
I'm going to change that right now.
It's a little late.
I don't know, I have a question for everybody out there. Does that look like mold? That's our last N95 mask. The last one in the United States of America. Should I use it? You're shaking your head no. Camera has to go no.
Gross.
Feels like it goes downhill right there anyway.
No, it's where it fills up with water.
Yep. Can't see because I got sweat in my eyeballs. And I can't dry them off because I don't have it here. Take your shirt and wipe my face off, will you?
No, gross. I don't love it.
You're really going to let me sit out here with my eye closed to keep the salt water out of my eye, huh? Now fix it. I got fiberglass all over me.
Alright guys, if we're going to lunch, we gotta go. Where's my phone?
I have it. I'm getting it. Mom.
What?
I have this little thing that's stuck in my skin.
Ouch, we'll get it when we get home.
Okay.
Stay while we drive over there.
After sanding and prepping all the holes and surfaces, it's time to fill them with thickened epoxy and add fiberglass where needed. Alright, so I've got half of it this thick. Are you looking? And then the other stuff is thin.
Oh, this is already getting
It's not getting hard.
thick.
It's just really thick.
That's good. Not allowed to be happy.
You can be happy, just don't whistle.
Whistle while you work. This is the problem. Whoa!
Whoa! Hang on.
So somebody just plonked down a bunch of stuff and
screwed the plate to it. Or put the metal plate over the top and then screwed it into the stuff. That's how they attached it. I don't know if that's good or bad, but that's what they did. I don't think that's Cabosil.
what do you think it is?
I think that's polyurethane resin. It almost makes me wonder if this was factory.
Okay, it's day 2 of this week, and I don't know that we actually got a ton done yesterday, but we're gonna keep moving. Hey, Gabe. What you doing?
Waiting for Dad.
Waiting for Dad? And then what are you doing?
Whatever it is Dad tells me to do.
Looks like Gabe gets to clean up the mast parts. Okay, we're gonna take the peel ply off of the fiberglass. We did that last night. Peel ply is a material that is applied over the fiberglass when it's wet that helps it have a smoother surface as it dries. So if we get closer, it looks like it comes off easier, huh?
Yeah.
We actually just purchased a nylon fabric from Joann's instead of buying the name brand stuff. It worked great. Good job. We just got back from taking the kids to the trailer. We had lunch and left them there and came back, and I fell down the stairs. I'm hot, sweaty, and now my leg hurts. Yeah, this is going well. Alright, what project are we tackling?
Pulling the mizzenmast foot off so we can fix the floor underneath it.
Other Morgan 46 owners have reported that this mast step has been rotten and collapsing due to lack of support beneath it.
So you're removing my reference points.
Nope.
Yeah, you just did.
No, it's just right here.
I just wanted to make sure I had measurements of where that sucker goes before I tear it all out. Probably want to cut that off right in there, at least the 1/4 inch part. No idea what it looks like under the step. This is an inaccessible hole here because there's like a wall or bulkhead here. So I can't see into that spot to even see what it looks like. So I have no idea what I'm up against.
Well, it looks pretty solid. Yeah, it's solid.
And feel it. It goes downhill right here. This is only up because this has got wood glued to it that's making it a big bump.
I think it's fine. I think it's fine. I really do. It's been here for 40 years. It's not doing horrible. Let's just keep going.
We didn't need that anyway. All right. Now, I want y'all to see if you can guess the correct answer. Honey, what do you think about this mast step?
I think it's fine.
What do you think about the main mast step?
That we're fixing it.
Do we need to do any more to it? Or you think it's fine?
Well, we have to finish fixing it.
What about all the rest of the holes for the chain plates? How are they?
We only have to fix 2 of them.
You're avoiding this, aren't you?
What?
It's fine. It's fine. We're leaving it. It's fine. We're not doing any more. It's fine.
Well,
That's the
fine.
correct answer.
It is fine. I think it's
Sorry.
fine. It has
It's
been
rough.
40 years. And it might be sunk like 1/4 of an inch. So it's fine.
Okay. It's fine.
I think it's fine.
That is the answer. It's fine. It's fine.
Are you making fun of me?
No, I'd never do that. Alright, let's see. I don't know who put this down there. so weird. It like mirror images it.
Stay tuned next week where we discover if it's fine or not. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for each new episode. See you next week.